The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and today we're gonna look at Harmony. It's been kind of interesting lately. A lot of people have been talking about it, so I thought why not make a technical analysis video on it and look see what's actually happening. Without further ado, let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with this and why it's pumping. So we have some important resistance that we have been broken, especially this is the monthly chart, monthly resistance 0.090 that's broken, right? There are other resistance that we are broken. I just want to show you this before we move on so you can see what's actually happening with this. This is the weekly all-time high, previous all-time high, not this all-time high, but previous all-time high, and then you also have the daily all-time high. That's if you can just zoom it on here, it's up there. So you can see that I'm not using wicks, I'm using body closes, so of course that's the correct way to do it as always. And you can see here that let's look at this on the weekly chart. The bottom line is monthly, weekly, and the daily close. And you can see the once the price went all the way up, it got support on the weekly close and pumped again. So also on the daily you can see that it was trying to hold the daily all-time high, then went all the way down back to the monthly, and then start climbing, and now it's up. So after this move up over here, this is new all-time high, right? After all these three have been broken, we can remove them now. So after the new all-time high, you can see here once it passed the new all-time high, right? It went back down to retest as support, and now it's bouncing off of it again. So now it's hitting some kind of tops over here. So what I think is happening here is actually a wedge. I'm going to show you the wedge. So you can see this clearly, this bottom support line that's moving upwards, right? I think this actually extends all the way down here, yeah? Yeah, it's beautiful line. This is very beautiful. So I think this is the second stage, and I think the second stage is about to be over. So I think all parabolas have like three, four stages, around 3 stages. So the first one is something like this over here. I think maybe something like this goes over here. These stops, sorry, yeah. So you can say something like this, and then no, it shouldn't be. It should be like this over here. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We won't do that. Anyways, right now this is the bottom support, and there is this wedge over here that's created by this long uptrend over here. Things go something like this, top over here, I think, yeah. So you can see it was clearly using a support all the way up, and then when it went below it, it confirmed the resistance. So this is a very nice trend line, and you can see clearly here that hits the top over here, here. Sorry about that. And you can see once we are above that, we went back down to retest it as a support, and now we're bouncing off of it again. So all in all, this looks very good. We are actually out of this wedge or triangle, ascending triangle, called what you want to call it. So right now it looks ready to start pumping, the way I see it. So now we're gonna look some moving averages. The white one is 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 moving average, and it's very bullish because all the moving averages are right after one another. So it's in a strong uptrend. It's already in a strong uptrend. You can see all the moving averages, all the time frames are good. 10, 20, 50, and so forth, right? We are moving with the 20 moving average, sorry, 10 moving average up here, and then we bounced off of 10 moving average out of this triangle, right? Sorry, wedge. Once we got out of the wedge, we are doing some kind of a waiting period here before I think we're gonna bounce further up. But this is going up. This is a setup for a long right now. 4 hourly is looking to also maybe wait either for the 20 moving average or just bounce off with 10 moving average. But either way, however you see it, this is getting ready to explode. This is getting ready to explode because we went out of edge, we are retesting as support, and now we should go higher up. I think you guys want to know some kind of price target where we should expect the target or something like that, man. At least the target should be I just use the top over here and bottom. Actually, bottom is over here. These two over here. Yeah, but it already did that. You see here, it already went all the way up to, once it broke this, it went all the way up to the 0.72, exactly at the mark. Man, the technical analysis and these things, it actually works, man. It actually works. So it actually went all the way up to, there. So this movement is actually finished, but now it's gonna start pumping higher up. So how high? We won't go into that. I just want to tell you that this is gonna pump. This is gonna pump hard. Let's just look at more bullish things or not so bullish things. The MACD got bullish cross all the way back here. That's just before it broke all-time high, and once it broke all-time high after a bullish cross, got out of the triangle, and now it's ready to pump hard. I don't see this dumping. To tell you the truth, I don't see this dumping right now. How high it's gonna go? That's the question you gotta follow that on. But right now it's gonna. Now see here, there's a lot of these. I'm gonna just remove this and put this so you can see this better. This is called the divergence, and there are a lot of these divergences right now that needs to be corrected. Sorry, this one is over here. So you see the price going up, the RSI going down. So this usually corrects either by the price moving down and correcting the RSI, or the price moving higher up and the RSI just peaks up and goes higher up. And that's what I think is going to happen, that the price just going to continue going up and move it, because this is not confirmed top yet. Let's see it on the candles. Yeah, this is not confirmed top yet. It's just going to continue going up, and then the RSI will correct itself. There, I think also on the weekly over here, RSI on the weekly is pretty good, because over here at this top over here we are back at 90 RSI, and then we went down all the way down to 67, which is a very healthy level for RSI on the weekly, and now we are going up and we are not even above all-time high. This stop is higher than this stop, so you can see there is also divergence over here, but that doesn't mean anything. As long as we keep pumping up, this is going to correct itself, right? Because this is not confirmed yet. This is not confirmed yet, so don't take into consideration. But the RSI is healthy, is at 83. If you look at some other pumps like that just pumped, like the Central Line, the Chili's, the two I made a video about, the daily and I think even the weekly, the RSI was above 90, 95, something like that. Crazy numbers. I think daily on the Chili was up at maybe 100 or something RSI. Crazy numbers, and that's when you know it's it's too much extended. But this is not extended, this is just getting started. So I think this can actually be pretty decent move. So basically, just to reiterate what we got right now, let's put up the moving averages. The moving averages are pushing the price higher up. We broke this all-time high. Sorry, we broke this all-time high over here and started pumping up, and then there was this wedge going on right now over here, something like this, and we are above the wedge and we are retesting a support. So I think this is gonna pump really soon. How high? I'm not gonna go into that, because I actually don't know. I don't know. We can maybe assume it's gonna pump the distance of the entire move over here, something like this. Well, that was a bad line. Let's just put it like that. Entire move, this all the way up to 0.86. It's gonna pump more than that. It's gonna pump more. I don't know how high this is gonna go. I don't know how. Maybe we can use Fibonacci extension for this. All the way down here. Yeah, 5, 6. Yeah, maybe around 0.08. How much is that? How much is that exactly? From now up to there, 50%. Yeah, maybe it's gonna go higher. I don't know. Have absolutely no clue. You know, price discovery after you break all-time high, I have no clue how to do that, man. I have no clue how high this is gonna go. But anyways, watch your money. Everything is in bubble territory, you know, everything is going parabolic and it's gonna bang sooner or later. Thanks for watching. Nice your turn to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, post down in the comments for YouTube algorithm and all that kind of stuff, you know. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna make more videos today, so be sure to stay subscribed, stay on the channel. A lot of good stuff coming. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.